The adult of the species Hyphanthria cunea is a small white moth. It lays eggs which hatch into the fall webworm, a caterpillar which can vary in color, including both more yellowish and greenish gray forms with bristles. These caterpillars can produce silk strands, as can many caterpillars, but they are social, and so the caterpillars from the egg mass will then use pheromone trails to go to the same area of the tree to produce a silken nest where multiple caterpillars are now laying down silken strands. These nests can serve to deter predators and serve as a site where caterpillars can congregate when they are not feeding and then leave this area to feed. These caterpillars are sometimes called tent caterpillars, although that is not correct. Tent caterpillars are a different species whose silken nests are formed in spring on a variety of fruit trees. These silken nests are formed in late summer into fall and have different species of trees which they are typically found. For example, walnut is a tree which commonly exhibits these nests. Also, the fall webworm makes its silken nest at the ends of branches rather than where branches sprout from the main stem, which is the case in tent caterpillars. This species is native to North America, but in large part because it can feed on many species of tree, more than 600, which is much larger than is the typical host specificity. These caterpillars have spread to Europe, to Central Asia, and East Asia. So while they are an invasive species, they are not an invasive species in North America where they are native, but rather in other continents where they have been introduced.